This is Andy from ATM. Is it?
Yeah,
ATM Engineering. Not an ATM, ATM. And he's got an exhaust manifold off of a Cadillac. What year is it?
I can't remember the exact year, for sure.
Yeah, well it's 50s. Yeah. And they're prone to crack all the time. It's cast iron. I haven't welded cast iron for about 35 years. So we've got cast iron welding rods. We're going to have a go and preheat it in the furnace and see if it works. I done it years ago. If you put cast back in cast, the coefficient expansion rate will be the same. So on a manifold it will get hot and cold and it should be okay. If you weld the cast with nickel, which you can weld cast iron, then the coefficient expansion rate will be different. And on an item that's getting hot and cold, it will always crack. On an engine block it's not too bad. On a manifold it's pretty stuffed. So we're going to have a go, and if it all goes wrong it does, and if it works it does. But I'm just going to put it in the furnace and preheat everything before I weld it. Then I'll set up to weld it. It's a bit like blobbing Blamons into it. It's a funny old weld when you weld cast, but I'm going to turn the furnace off because we're going to forge in this later and I don't want to heat it too much on one side, and I'll just let the heat slowly soak through the casting. I'll weld it, then I'll put it back in the furnace and turn it off and let it cool down slowly. So I'm going to turn it off. Now that's pumping 5 gallon an hour of diesel into that. I've already preheated it, so it's pretty hot and it's mounted on a plate. Oh shit. So I'm going to get a big pair of tongs because I'm not going to pick that up.
Did you say 590, Nigel?
Hang on, yeah. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put it in here. I don't get hold of it. A big old pair of tongs. I might get it. Right, I'm just going to get it out of the furnace. It's red hot. I don't want it to get a chill if I can lift it. I feel really hard with carrying it. Might need 2 tongs, might need 2 lots of people to try and pick it up because it's so heavy. Need 2 lots of tongs, I won't lift. Tip it over more. go to? Right back to that one?
I've drawn a hole on the end of it. I can't see it though. Yeah. Not much further, right?
I can see a hole.
Yeah.
Keep going round, I'll go past it.
Yeah.
Go right down, let's have a look. Yeah, no, that, I might have to join it. So I join it? Well, I'll just go a little bit here and go over more. I want to make sure I get the beginning. And do you reckon that's it?
Yeah, I think we'll just put a wire brush over it and just have a look.
Then what we'll do, we'll put him back in the corner for a little while. Just try that. And we'll get a wire brush because I can't see diddly. Not with Roy Orbison glasses on. Right, we don't want to get a shield on it. Then you hold it so I don't knock it on the floor and have a disaster. Ready? A bit grotty there, look. See, because I've been looking at that bright light. I can't see in there. Is that a cavity in there? Not there. Just there. It's hard to tell. Yeah, little cavity. So let me try and put a bit more in there. That's because it had that nickel there. Look, that went funny there. Look. Right, we'll get it out of the furnace and I'll have a look. I've left it in there to cool down. We've heard no pinging noises, so it should be fine now. It's still hot, so I can't really lift it with the truck. I've got to pick it up with the tongs. I might be able to, if I get it. I'll try and get it through here. What I want is a big pair of tongs. If I get it with these, I can pick it up. And never a nice looking weld, but it's cast on cast. That should be fine, just clean them up a bit. So I still a fair bit of heat coming off of it. But there you go, try that. Right, I hope that helps some of you.